Shopify $1 deal explained. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will be discussing to you guys the $1 deal that there is on Shopify. So today we're gonna see if the $1 deal in Shopify is worth it or not. So without further ado, let us begin. So before starting, what is the $1 deal in Shopify? So when you sign up for the 3-day free trial on Shopify, after those 3-day free trial, there will be like a deal in where you'll only pay $1 per month to enjoy the next 3 months. So Shopify runs this promotion periodically, so it's best you utilize this chance as soon as possible. So in short, this new deal available exclusively for Shopify users to start selling on Shopify with little to no risk. So once you register for the deal, you'll be granted 3 days Shopify free trial, and then following by 3 months of using Shopify for only $1 each month. So when you apply for the $1 per month for 3 months for the Shopify deal, you will get unlimited products, unlimited bandwidth, adding and managing brand assets, built-in fraud analysis, providing discount codes, setting product prices and percentage price adjustments for specific countries or regions, abandoned cart recovery, automatic email, analytics page which highlights key analytics such as sales, orders, and online store visitor data, key financial report about your business, and a 24/7 Shopify support through the Shopify Help Center Assistant chat or support advisor. So moving on, how do you apply for this $3 deal? So basically, all you need is a valid email. So you better use an email that has not been associated with a Shopify account before. So if you have an old Shopify account, you really can't use that deal anymore. So might as well just make a new email and simply make a new Shopify account, and then just wait for the 3-day free trial to finish. And then after those 3 days free trial, you can now avail for the $1 per month offer. Next is global availability. So this offer is accessible in most countries, but there are exceptions. So this includes Cuba, Iran, North Korea, and certain regions of Ukraine, like Crimea, Donetsk, and Luhansk. So basically, if you're living in any of these countries, I'm sorry, but you cannot avail for the $1 per month offer. Next is one store per user. So each user can only create one store under this promotional offer. So basically, only one user can use this deal. Next is a credit card. So although it's not required during the first 3 days of the free trial, a credit card is necessary if you wish to continue using the selected plan for 3 months after that. And then once you've met those requirements, all you need to do now is just simply sign up in Shopify and avail their free trial. Then after that, all you want to do now is to just simply provide your business details. Moving on, what you want to do is you just simply select your plan. So they have a lot of plans right here that will only cost you $1 per month for the first 3 months. And then after that, just simply confirm your billing and statement. So just input your credit card or debit card details so that once the free trial ends, you can now start with the $1 per month plan. So moving on, let's just compare all the plans right here that you can use for the $1 per month. So the plans that you can use right here for the $1 per month promo are the basic plan, the grow plan, and advanced plan. So let's just simply dive into these 3 plans. So for the basic plan, which is good for solo entrepreneurs, so the original price for this is $19 per month. But this one is for billed yearly, but if you want to bill it monthly, it will cost you $25 per month. So what do you get in the basic plan? So the card rates start at 2% third-party payment providers, and its standout features are 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, and POS Lite. Moving on is for the Grow plan, which is suitable for small teams. So this will cost you around $49 per month if billed yearly, and $65 per month if billed monthly. So the card rates start at 1% for third-party payment providers, and its standout features are 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, 5 additional chat staff accounts, and POS Lite. And then lastly, we have the advanced plan, which is for businesses. So this one is for when your businesses start to grow or scale up. So this will cost you around $299 per month if billed yearly, or $399 a month if billed monthly. So its card rates start at 0.6% for third-party payment providers And the standout features are 10 inventory locations, enhanced 24/7 chat support, local storefronts by market, 15 additional staff accounts, and POS Lite. Sadly, for the Plus plan, there is no 1 month, $1 per month promo for this since it's quite expensive. And you will need to message the Shopify developers or email them to avail the Plus plan. So these are the three plans right here that you can avail once you end the 3-day free trial. So moving on, let's just do a deep dive on its features for these three plans. So moving on, let's move on to the core features. So in here is we have the online store, so you can easily build an online store. So full features include product collections, informational pages, and blogs. So all of the three plans right here have full featured online stores. Next is world's best converting checkout. So you can equip your store with a world-class checkout that lets customers complete purchases with just one click. So all of those three plans have that. Next is unlimited products, so you can sell as many products and services as you want. So again, those three plans have that. And then next is we have additional staff accounts, so you can let staff help you run your store and control who has permission to access info from product pages to customer data. So the basic plan doesn't have that, but the Grow plan and the Advanced plan have those. For the Grow plan is we have 5 additional staff accounts, and then for the Advanced plan, it's 15 staff accounts. Next is we have collaborator accounts. So this one allows you to give party designers, third-party designers, developers, and marketing experts limited access to your store. So this does not count towards staff account limits. So all of those three plans have that. Next is we have templates and themes, so you can easily create polished storefronts and customer messages with business-ready templates and themes. So those three plans have that as well. Next is we have sale channels. So this promotes and sells your products everywhere. So this includes on social media, online marketplaces, through customer chat, and more. So all of those three plans have that as well. Next is we have inventory locations. So in here you can track your inventory, fulfill orders, and sell products across multiple locations, including retail stores, warehouses, and pop-ups. So all of the three plans right here have 10 inventory locations. Next is Shopify Collective. So dropship with Shopify's network of trusted brands. So you can discover and source products to sell or expand your reach by selling through other retailers. So all of the three plans right there also have this feature as well. Next is Analytics. So in here you can access 60 plus reports to track your store performance or build custom reporting with flexible real-time analytics. Again, these three plans have that. Next is we have 24/7 support, so you can get round-the-clock access to the Shopify support team. So for the first two plans, it has live chat. And then for the Advanced plan, it has enhanced live chat. Next is we have transaction fees. So for the basic plan, it's 2%. For the Grow plan, it's 1%. And then for the Advanced plan, is 0.6%. Next is tax platform. So you can calculate accurate taxes on every order based on the most up-to-date tax rules. So all of the three plans right here have additional paid service. Next is we have hosting and administration. So for the three plans right here, you'll also get unlimited web hosting, which gets fast load times and exceptional reliability for a store with unlimited bandwidth and storage. Next is custom domains. So you can create custom domains right here for the three plans for your Shopify store. Next is a free SSL certificate. So you can get a free site security certificate to encrypt your online store's content and publish it securely, which is available for all the three plans as well. Next is organization settings. So you can manage administrative tasks like staff and billing across multiple Shopify stores. So again, these are available in the three plans. Next is we have in-person selling. So first is we have Shopify POS Lite, which is a lightweight solution for casual selling at pop-ups and markets. So this is available for the three plans. And next is Shopify POS Pro. So this one, everything POS Lite has to offer, plus faster workflows, more control over staff permissions, and in-depth inventory reporting tools. So this one will cost you per location, which will cost you around $89 per month. Next is we have marketing. So in here you can add unlimited contacts to your Shopify account. So this is available for all the three plans. Same goes with the customer segmentation. So in here you can filter and group customers to find and reach exactly the right people. Next is Shopify email. So you can create emails from scratch or from templates, send campaigns, automate emails, and report on results. So for the first 10,000 emails are free each month. with volume discounts on additional emails for higher plans. Next is we have Shopify Forms. You can attract, acquire, and convert new customers with their free lead capture solution. Next is Shopify Inbox, so you can convert more customers through chat, including automated messages. Next is we have marketing automation, so you can engage customers at every stage of their journey with automated marketing flows, so you can use pre-made templates or build custom flows that suit your unique business. Next is we have abandoned checkout recovery, so you can automatically send emails to customers who leave your store without completing checkout. Then you'll also get access to discount codes for the free plans and also gift cards. Next is we have the Shopify Marketplace Connect, so you can connect and list products right here for the 3 plans as well. So you can connect and list your Shopify products on all supported markets. Same goes with import marketplace orders, so you can import unlimited orders from marketplaces to Shopify. And then for the first 50 Shopify synced orders, so in each month, you can get 50 marketplace orders from Shopify synced listings for free. And then more than 50% Shopify synced orders. So you can get additional orders from Shopify synced listings for a 1% transaction fee. So you can have a total of $99 per month. So these are also available for all the 3 plans as well. Next is customization. So in here, for the 3 plans, you can also use third-party app integration, so you can manage your businesses with a vast selection of compatible apps that are available in the Shopify App Store. Next is e-commerce automation, so you can automate manual tasks, build workflows, and grow your business with the first built-in e-commerce automation. Next is custom apps. So in here, you can build apps using Shopify's APIs. For added customization, get access to personally identifiable information or PII, including customer names, addresses, phone numbers, and emails. So for the basic plan, you'll only get limited access to this, but for the Grow plan and the Advanced plan, you will get full data access. Next is API rate limits, so power your custom or third-party apps with flexible integrations. So for the basic plan and the Grow plan, you'll get standard. And then for the Advanced plan, you'll get up to 2 times on select APIs. Next is headless storefronts, so build a custom storefront with Hydrogen. So this is Shopify's React-based toolkit and deploy on Oxygen, Shopify's free global hosting solution. So this one, you'll get 1 headless storefront for the 3 plans. Next is international, so in here, you'll get language translation for all the 3 plans. You'll also get localized selling with custom markets, so you can manage global sales from a single store with markets. Deliver a customized shopping experience for different countries or regions. Next is product pricing by market, so you can take greater control of your international pricing strategy by setting specific prices for products or product variants in each market. Next is local domains, so you can assign custom web addresses for each market that are optimized for local search results. Automatically redirect customers to the right domain or subfolder based on their market. Next is we have local storefronts. So this allows you to tailor your shop's layout, imagery, and messaging for customers in different markets. So this one is not available for the basic plan and the Grow plan, but it is available in the Advanced plan. Same goes with the duties and import taxes, so you can estimate and collect duties and import taxes at checkout to give customers total cost clarity. So again, this one is not available for the basic and Grow plan, but it's available for the Advanced plan. And then moving on, these are the features right here that are only available in the Plus plan, like checkout customizations, high volume checkout, business to business on Shopify, free expansion stores, bot protection, exclusive API access and endpoints, featured test drives, Launchpad, custom app built with Shopify functions, customer user groups, Shopify Plus certified app partners, and Shopify Plus Academy. So those are pretty much the differences between the 3 plans right here if you are planning to avail for the $1 per month plan for the first 3 months after your Shopify free trial. So that's pretty much it. The discussion about the $1 deal on Shopify and if it's worth it or not. For me, I'll really take advantage of this deal for the first 3 months, and then if you don't like the plans right here that are available in Shopify, you could always cancel it. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.